Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the portal in Heartopia. Basically, you're just going to talk to Bob here, and you're going to go to the special home decor store. I don't know why I said that like that. But anyways, if you scroll down to furniture, you'll see portals here, and this is where you are able to purchase them. They cost 30 stars, and you have to purchase two of the same color if you want to be able to like get out of like the room again. I kind of want to buy it, but I don't know which color I should pick. So I think I might do blue. Let's do blue, and I'll show it to you guys like how it works, and I'll be right back. So I just randomly made this area, and I made it so it has no doors. Maybe you should put like the teleport thing inside, but just go to your backpack here, and you're going to find the teleport, the portal here. So press place, and you're able to place it like here, and then place the other like portal somewhere else. So for instance, I'll put it like here maybe. So just gonna grab the other portal. Let me see if there's actually space. Oh my gosh, there's no space. Let me get this couch off first and grab that portal again. And you're just going to place that. And then you're able to teleport there, I think. So I'm just gonna go here. Oh, oh my god, that's so cool. And then if you want to go there, you're just going to teleport there. If you want to go to the inside of the building, you do have to put it inside. I think that's where I did it incorrectly. But if you want like people to go, for instance, inside this box, you're just able to do that. You have to like make an opening first, place a portal inside of the building, and you'll go there. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!